Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to upload designs and create product campaigns on Bonfire. Bonfire is a print-on-demand marketplace similar to Teespring, where you can design and sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, and other products. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified each time I release a new tutorial. For each sale that you make on the platform, Bonfire will handle the payment processing, order fulfillment, and customer service so you can focus your attention on marketing and creating more awesome designs. To publish new products to Bonfire, you will have to create a product campaign. This involves adding your custom design to products and creating a campaign page, which is similar to your product listings on other platforms. When your campaign ends, Bonfire will ship any orders directly to the buyers, and you'll receive royalty payments for each sale that you made. So now let's go through the entire process to create your first product campaign on Bonfire. First, let's go up to the top menu, click the drop-down menu beside Sell Online, then select Sell Online in a campaign. This will take you to a landing page where you can learn more about selling products on Bonfire. If you're new, feel free to take some time to browse through the information. But once you're ready, let's go back up top and click on Get Started. This should take you to a page where you can select what type of action you wish to take. For this example, let's select the option that says Sell Online. You will then be able to select whether you want to start a new campaign or open up a new online store. Let's select the option that says Start a Campaign. We'll be going over how to create your online store in an upcoming video. To create your product campaign, you'll first need to create your Bonfire account. Simply fill out the form here with your name, email, and a password, or simply sign up by connecting your Google or Facebook account. To create my new Bonfire account, I think I'll sign in using Google. Simply select the Google account you wish to use, then you should be taken directly to your Bonfire dashboard. Here's where you can manage your Bonfire account. To access the product editor and to launch your first campaign, let's look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on the Campaigns tab. Here's where you can view all the product campaigns that you've created on Bonfire. Since this is a new account, I don't have any campaigns yet, so let's create one now. Go ahead and click the Create New Campaign button. This should take you to the product editor where you can create new products to add to the Bonfire marketplace. So let's go through the process to create a design for our campaign. The first thing we should do is select all the products we want to add our design to. From the Pick Products tab, you can select up to 9 different products to add to this campaign. Currently, the only product I have in my campaign is the Premium Unisex Tee. But to add new products, let's go down to the bottom here and click on the Add Products button. Here's where you can view and select all the different products that are available to sell on Bonfire. Go ahead and browse through all the products and select the ones you wish to add to your campaign. To select the product, simply click the icon at the bottom right. Each time you select a new product, you'll see it appear in your selected products menu on the right hand side. Remember that you can select up to 9 different styles to add to your campaign. Not only can you sell apparel such as t-shirts, hoodies, and tank tops, but also various styles of face masks, premium tote bags, and of course, coffee mugs. Once you've finished selecting all the products for your campaign, look at the menu on the right hand side and click on the Save Products button at the bottom. You should now be able to see all the products that you selected in your product editor. Beside each product, you should also see a color selection icon. From the color selection menu, you can select up to 5 different colors for each product. Go ahead and go through all of your selected products and select the colors that you wish to use. There we go. So now that I've selected my products and selected the colors for each product, let's go over how to create or upload designs. First, let's create a new design using the tools that are available on Bonfire. To get started, let's start by adding some text to the product. Let's go over to the menu here and click on the Add Text icon. You can then type in your text and then click the Add Text button to add it to your product. You can then rearrange or resize your text on the image. When resizing or rearranging your design, make sure you stay within the print area. From the menu on the right hand side, You can also select your text color, the font you wish to use, and your font size. You can also adjust the size by simply dragging one of the corners on the image here. You can also add an arc to your text by using the slider bar here. Simply move the slider left or right to add an upward or downward arc. You also have the options to adjust your text spacing or to rotate your text. So now that we've added our text, let's find an image to add as well. If you click on the Find Graphics icon, you'll see tons of images that are available on the Bonfire library. Simply go to the search bar here and type in the type of design that you're looking for. This will pull up all the designs that are associated with that keyword. Simply click the one you wish to use and it'll be added to your product template. You can then resize and rearrange your image, change the image color, flip your image, or rotate your image. Now that we've gone over how to create designs using the Bonfire editor, let's go over how to upload designs that you've already created. The designs that you create on Bonfire are great to get started, but once you're ready to go pro, you should check out the easy to use Placeit t-shirt design maker. When you join Placeit, you'll have access to thousands of pre-made t-shirt design templates that you can use to create your design. With the Placeit t-shirt design maker, you can quickly and easily create all the designs that you need to fill up your online store. When you sign up using the link in the video description below, not only will you have access to the t-shirt design maker, but also the logo maker, the mockups generator where you can create professional image and video mockups, the video creator to create awesome marketing videos, and tons of other tools that can help you quickly grow your print-on-demand business. So let's remove the text and the image that we've already added and go over how to upload your own artwork to Bonfire. Go to your menu on the right hand side and click on the Upload Art icon. Before uploading, make sure your design meets the file guidelines. Your design should be at least 1500 by 1500 pixels with a transparent background. It can have up to 8 different colors and should be in AI, EPS, PDF, PNG, or JPG format. Personally, I always export my designs in PNG format. So to upload my artwork that I created with the Placeit t-shirt maker, let's go down to the bottom and click on the Choose a File button. You can then find and select the design you wish to upload. Before your design can be added to your template, you have to confirm that you have the rights to sell your design. So let's go down and click on the checkbox here. You should then be able to click the Upload button. And voila! My design has been added to my template. I can now rearrange or resize my design if I like. If your design was uploaded without a transparent background, you can remove it by clicking the Remove Background button here. So once you're finished editing your design, let's look up at the top right and click on the Next button. Since we want to sell this design, let's click on the Start Selling button. Your new design will then be saved and you'll be taken to a page where you can select the prices for your products. First, you can estimate your sales by using the slider bar here. For the number of units sold that you have selected, you can see the estimated profit on the right hand side. In the Set Your Selling Prices section, you can select the price for each of your products. To set a new price, simply update the price in the Selling Price column beside the product you wish to update. When you update your selling price, you'll see the profit update as well in the Your Profit column. Go ahead and change the prices for all the products that you wish to update. Once you're finished, you can look up at the top right and click on the Next button. This should take you to a page where you can edit your campaign settings. You can start by selecting the purpose for your campaign. For my campaign, I'm gonna select Make Money. You can also choose to select tips during checkout for an 8% fee. You can then set the number of days for the first batch of your new campaign. Select the length in days using the slider bar here, and at the end of each campaign batch, the products will be custom made for the buyers. Next, you should select the best way to describe your campaign using the keyword shown here. Since my design is in the workout and fitness niche, I think I'll start by selecting hobby. Once you select your main topic, you'll see some additional tags that you can also add up here at the bottom. So I'm gonna select hobby and sports as my main topics, and under additional tags, I think I'll select CrossFit and weightlifting. Underneath your additional tags, you can also add your own tag by clicking the button here. As an example, let's add a new tag for fitness. Make sure you have the checkbox selected here to allow buyers to find your products on Bonfire. Under shipping options, I'm gonna leave it as standard. So once you're finished editing your campaign, let's go up to the top and click on Next. This will take you to the page where you can create the product listing for your campaign. Go ahead and come up with a campaign title and a good description. When writing your title and description, make sure you add good keywords so people can find your products. Your description on Bonfire should be one attention-grabbing sentence. Under colors, you can preview all the colors that you selected when uploading your design. You can also view all the different products you selected under the style section. So now let's scroll down and fill out the information in the About This Campaign section. Here's where you can get creative and help your listing stand out from the competition. You want to come up with a good heading and describe your campaign in more detail. Just like before, make sure you use good keywords so your products show up in the search results. In this more detailed description, you can format your text, add more headings, add other text, upload photos, and even embed videos. So as an example, let's add a photo to my campaign page. I'm gonna click on the upload photo icon here, click the choose a file button, and find a good image to add to this campaign. Make sure your image is in JPG or PNG format with a file size less than 5 megabytes. Since my design is in the fitness niche, I'm gonna use this workout image here. When creating your campaign, feel free to add other headings, more text, more images, or even an embedded video. Take your time to get your listing page exactly the way you want, and once you're finished, go up to the top right and click on the Launch button. You should then see a box pop up where you can confirm the details of your campaign. You can view your URL, the batch length, and when the orders should arrive to your customers. If you like, you can update your URL or change the batch length by clicking the Edit button. Once you're ready, go ahead and click the checkbox beside the Bonfire's terms and conditions, then click on Confirm and Launch. And there we have it. My campaign is now live on Bonfire. I can now start marketing this product by sharing the campaign URL on social media, my website, blog, or any other place online. If you need to edit your campaign, you can do this at any time by going to your Bonfire dashboard. So that's a quick overview of how to create product campaigns on Bonfire. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.